Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 awesome tools you can grab for under $100. Great picks with solid value, and you might just find your next favorite tool on this list. DEKOPRO Home Toolkit. The DEKOPRO Home Toolkit is a durable and versatile set designed for a wide range of household repairs and DIY projects. Made from high-quality steel with a polished chrome finish, the tools offer strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. This comprehensive kit includes essential tools such as wrenches, ratchets, sockets, screwdrivers, a hammer, pliers, and more, all meeting ANSI standards for quality and performance. Hedge Debris Collector. The $39 Ryobi Hedge Debris Collector makes hedge trimming cleaner and easier by collecting clippings as you work. Compatible with 18 to 26-inch Ryobi trimmers with Hedge Sweep, it features a 5-gallon bag that's easy to empty. Just reverse it to dump the debris. 360-degree LED light. The Ryobi 360-degree LED light is the brand's brightest, delivering 3,800 lumens with 4 brightness modes for customizable illumination. It provides full 360-degree coverage with adjustable LED panels and multiple mounting options, including a built-in 2x handle and hook. Perfect for job sites, garages, or outdoor use, it's durable and easy to set up. Priced at $100, it's a powerful lighting solution for any workspace. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. Saker Tornado Dry Cleaning Gun. The Saker Tornado Dry Cleaning Gun, priced at $29.99, connects to an air compressor for powerful, efficient cleaning. Its upgraded design features a durable, thickened copper connector for long-lasting performance. The included brush attachment makes it easy to clean narrow gaps without damaging surfaces. Versatile enough for use on car interiors, home furniture, and factory equipment, it's a reliable all-purpose cleaning tool. Portable Dust Cleaner. The Saker Portable Dust Cleaner, priced at $63.99, is a compact cordless blower ideal for car drying, home cleaning, camping, and yard work. With a high-speed motor reaching up to 180,000 RPM and 600 G of blowing power, it clears dust, leaves, and even snow with ease. It features adjustable wind power controlled by pressure on the switch, offering flexibility for various tasks. Telescopic Camping Light. The Saker Plus Telescopic Camping Light, priced at $63.99, features a powerful 14,000 mAh rechargeable battery that offers 4 to 48 hours of illumination, depending on brightness settings. It charges fully in about 5 hours via a built-in Type-C port and can also serve as a power bank for devices like phones or headphones. Its foldable design and 4-section telescopic pole extend up to 110 centimeters, making it highly portable and versatile. BULLTEC Power. The BULLTEC Power, priced at $27.27, features a powerful 24 volts electric drive that delivers twice the strength of most portable tools on the market. Its every grip chuck accepts a wide range of standard tool bits, making it versatile and efficient for drilling, sanding, polishing, and more. Weighing just 1 pound and measuring 7 by 1.77 by 1.77 inches, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Wagner FLEXiO. The Wagner FLEXiO eye spray nozzle, priced at $84.53, is an upgraded front-end attachment designed for FLEXiO and select Wagner HVLP sprayers. It offers improved spray coverage with a concentrated, flawless pattern for faster, more efficient painting. The adjustable dial and lever let you control paint flow precisely, while the redesigned air cap enhances spray direction and consistency. ABS One Pro Chuck. The ABS One Pro Chuck, priced at $19.99, is an upgraded version of Lezine's classic flip thread chuck system, featuring a 90-degree design for easier valve access and removal. Built from precision-machined aluminum, composite matrix, and a durable brass swivel, it offers long-lasting performance. The chuck easily switches between Presta and Schrader valves by flipping the head, ensuring a secure, leak-free connection. Stikkan Wood Splitter. The Stikkan Wood Splitter, priced at $90, is a durable wall-mounted tool made from high-carbon steel for long-lasting performance. Designed for safe and efficient kindling splitting, it uses a lever mechanism to easily cut logs without the need for a hammer or axe. Its compact, disassemblable design makes it portable and ideal for outdoor activities like camping or barbecuing. Zip-It Drain Tool. The Zip-It Drain Tool, priced at $14.95, is a 25-inch reusable drain snake designed to quickly and safely clear clogs without harsh chemicals. Made from a tough, proprietary poly material, it flexes easily through tight bends and traps without getting stuck or breaking. Ideal for bathroom, kitchen, or laundry drains, it removes hair and debris with a simple twist and pull motion, no tools or expertise required. AccuBrush. The AccuBrush, priced at $44.95, is a time-saving painting tool that eliminates the need for extensive masking. It allows for clean, precise paint edges around doors, windows, ceilings, baseboards, crown molding, and other trim. Designed to speed up your painting projects, the tool features washable and reusable rollers and brushes for long-term use and convenience. LAOA Automatic Wire Stripper. The LAOA Automatic Wire Stripper, priced at $32.99, is built with a durable chrome vanadium alloy body and a carbon steel cutting edge for reliable performance. It's ideal for stripping and cutting 10 to 22 AWG wires, flat cables, network cables, and more, with added functions for crimping terminals. It also includes 2 replaceable springs and accommodates spark plugs size 7 to 8 millimeters, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Tin Snips. The tin snips, priced at $21.99, are crafted from high-quality CRV steel for fast, precise cutting and long-lasting durability. Featuring a double-lever design, they provide smooth operation with reduced hand fatigue, making them ideal for extended use. A built-in safety lock ensures secure storage, while the ergonomic non-slip handles offer a comfortable and stable grip. 3-in-1 Tube Bender. The 3-in-1 Tube Bender, priced at $14.24, is a lightweight yet durable tool made from high-strength aluminum, ideal for bending 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch OD tubing. Suitable for copper, brass, aluminum, and thin steel pipes, it features calibrated markings for accurate left hand, right hand, and offset bends up to 90 degrees. Cabinet Master Clamp. The Cabinet Master Clamp, priced at $75.99, features a rigid 12-inch industrial-grade steel bar that resists flexing, making it perfect for precise woodworking, cabinet assembly, and cutting board projects. It delivers up to 2,200 pounds of clamping force through a durable steel screw thread, ensuring secure, even pressure without warping. The clamp easily converts to a spreader by reversing the sliding jaw. No tools needed. Plasterboard Cutter with Rail. The Plasterboard Cutter with Rail, priced at $100, is a versatile tool designed to score, break, and cut plasterboards in a single pass. It delivers precise, straight cutting edges without the need to reposition or flip the board, saving time and effort. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable handling during extended use, while the tool allows for quick and easy blade changes. Ear Clamp Pliers. The Ear Clamp Pliers, priced at $16.39, are ideal for securing 1-ear and 2-ear clamps commonly used on CV boots, fuel and coolant lines, and air pressure systems. Made from high-strength, drop-forged chrome vanadium steel, they offer durability and long-lasting performance. Huepar Digital Angle Gauge. The Huepar Digital Angle Gauge, priced at $39.59, combines a digital level, angle meter, and laser line projector into one compact multifunctional tool. It emits both horizontal and vertical laser lines for accurate alignment, making it ideal for picture hanging, woodworking, painting, and DIY projects. PEX Clamp Cinch and Removal Tool. The PEX Clamp Cinch and Removal Tool, priced at $100, is a 33-piece all-in-one toolkit designed for secure and efficient PEX installations. Housed in a convenient carrying case, it includes a patented CRP1096 tool that both cinches and removes PEX clamp rings, making it easy to install and reuse fittings. A high-quality tubing cutter is included, slicing through PEX tubing up to 1 inch with ease. That's our list of 20 tools under $100. If you liked it, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more great finds coming soon here on the Chop Busters.